Hey citizens, welcome back to Like I Said. Today we are doing a luxury unboxing from Balenciaga. So if you're new here and you're not a citizen yet, child, I don't know what you're waiting for, honey. Just hit that subscribe button and bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will be notified and become a part of the family. Yes, just join the family and become official citizen. So without further ado, let's get into this Balenciaga unboxing. Thumbnail. Okay, guys. So a couple weeks ago, I went shopping and I ran into the Balenciaga boutique. These are just my receipts. I got a couple items from Balenciaga, so you already know. I'm going to share it with y'all. All right, so these are just the receipts. I went in there for one thing and I actually got something else. So y'all remember a couple weeks ago when I did my wish list video, I wanted the Balenciaga logo sweater, right? So I got that. So I will link that right here. If you haven't watched that yet, you can go watch that after this video, or now you can go watch it and then come back and watch this video and you'll see why I got what I got today. So I got in the store, they had what I wanted, and then I seen something else. So this is not shipped or anything. This is, I went in the store and I picked it up. Let's just get it open. And it comes in this big box. You already know Balenciaga stuff is like oversized, everything. These are just Balenciaga track sneakers. So I already have a pair. I have a pair in white and I love them. And then when I seen this color, I'm like, I have to have them. So when I went in there, I actually went to get the Balenciaga sock sneakers. I think that's what they're called. I'll put a picture right here. I went in there to get those, and I seen that they had these in the color of the track ones that I was going to get. I think I was going to get the track 2s. But it comes with your Balenciaga dust bag. And they give you a nice size dust bag to put your stuff in. And it comes with extra laces because these, I think, have the double laces. So this is another pair. And yes, these are the track. I don't know. These might be the regular tracks, but look at this color. I know the track 2s don't have the number on the front. So I think these are the track 1s. It's just a new color. I thought they were going to do away with the track 1s because the track 2s don't have your size on the front, and that's what I love about them. It's different, a different type of sneaker with the size on the front. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm a 37 in the Balenciagas. But this new colorway all the way through, oh my goodness, they just fire. And then they come with the double laces. So this is actually 2 pair of laces in here. So I guess, I don't know, they just give you more just to have, I guess, on hand, just in case maybe one of your laces get messed up. But they already come with 2 pair of laces. But these right here, this color, I just had to have this color. It is so cute. So it's the same size as the white pair I have. And they're the same exact way where they have the mesh in the inside, the mesh on the toe. And I know Balenciaga sneakers are not leather. I think they're like some type of vegan leather. But yes, so these will go with the sweater that was on my wish list. Yes, and I love these. I cannot wait to wear these. I will be probably wearing these when I go on vacation. I just love the nude in them. And then it has the Balenciaga logo on the side. So yes, that is one of the items that I picked up from Balenciaga. Let's do another thumbnail. So these are so cute. I just love this colorway. Even though I have the same exact shoe in a white and gray colorway, this is just the nude with the black writing, and then it has the track on the back. And these are heavy. I'm not even going to pretend. They are a very heavy shoe, but they stand out. They're different. They stand out. So this shoe is either you love it or you hate it, and I love them. All right, so let's get into the next items that I got from Balenciaga. So let's put these away. All right, so this item I did not go in the Balenciaga store for. I was not looking at it. I didn't. This was all babe. This was all my husband's doing. He seen this and he just like, babe, I think this will look so fire on you. I want you to get it. So I think we actually left out and went shopping around again, and then went back into the Balenciaga store to get this because he convinced me to get it. It was not on my radar. Something that you could be really cozy with. So let's see. Let's open the small package first. Here's a small one. Oh, you can probably see what it is with that. Balenciaga crew socks. And they just have the Balenciaga on the front here. And it's just a regular crew sock. And these socks will match. So cute. I love how they did the little Balenciaga here. Can y'all see that? I hadn't even tried this on. It's been sitting in my closet for a couple weeks. It is a Balenciaga oversized hoodie. And it's a distressed hoodie. It's like super cozy. And it has like white, like a t-shirt material on the inside. And it has like, it's all distressed with the holes in it and everything. And then it's just Balenciaga across the front. And then the back is like super distressed. So it's like really oversized, guys. And I figured I would wear it with my white Balenciagas. Go with this. And then I'll wear this and probably like some little jean shorts or something for like a cozy night. Maybe when we go to Florida, you know, just to have a little cozy vibe going on. And they had it in red. I like the red, but they were sold out in my size. And this, I think, is a small. This may be a size small, but it's like super big. So I'm going to insert some mod shots so y'all can see this sweatshirt and these socks. But that is it for this. Let me put this away. So I will insert some mod shots of the sweatshirt and the socks. So that is it for this unboxing. I know it was a quick little unboxing, but that's all I have for you guys for today. And if you're new here and you like videos like this, join the family, become official citizen. You will love it here. If you like luxury unboxing, vlogs, and lifestyle videos, hit that little subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time you go upload a video, you will be notified. Until the next time, Syd signing off. Peace.